Take a deep breath and just relax. You don't need to memorize grammar rules or study for hours with a textbook. Learning English can be effortless, and today I'll show you how. Welcome to 틀면트임영어, the audiobook series designed for stress-free and immersive learning. Have you ever studied English for many years, but still struggle to speak naturally? Do you freeze when talking to a foreigner, even though you know the words? Or maybe English feels like something you study, but never truly use? 틀면트임영어 is designed for learners like you. No boring grammar drills, no overwhelming study plans, just real-life English that sticks. How is this series structured? Each book follows a proven 8-step method, so you naturally absorb English like a native speaker. Each chapter is designed to train your brain to think, listen, and respond in English. And the best part? No memorization, no stress, just listen and start speaking. Now, let's break down the 8-step method that makes this series so effective. 패턴 소개, 자연스럽게 이해하기. We start with a clear, simple introduction so you instantly know what you're learning. For example, what's the difference between go, come, bring, and take? Key expressions. 패턴 쉽게 배우기, 핵심 문장 익히기. Learn real spoken English. Just listen and absorb. The patterns become second nature to you. 핵심 단어 학습. Vocabulary expansion. No need to memorize words. We introduce natural word families and key words that's used throughout each chapter. And the vocabulary is suitable for each book and used repeatedly throughout the chapter. 듣고 따라하기 연습, step-by-step listening. Slow, normal, and fast-paced repetition so your brain adapts. You'll internalize pronunciation and rhythm effortlessly. 실전 대화 연습, real-life conversations. Hear natural real-life dialogues, such as ordering coffee, making small talk, giving opinions. The conversation topic will depend on the subject of each chapter and also the book itself. 빠르게 대답하는 연습. Quick response drills. Train yourself to think fast and speak without hesitation. As a practice, I'll ask a question and you'll answer instantly. 자주 하는 실수, 수정하기. Common mistakes. We'll correct common errors so you don't develop bad habits. For example, can I getting a coffee? Wrong. Can I get a coffee? Correct. Chapter summary recap. 핵심 정리, 마무리 연습. A quick final review to reinforce everything you learned. Just listen, absorb, and practice. Traditional study methods don't work because they make you overthink. This audiobook method helps you absorb English naturally, just like a child learning the first language. Every time you listen, your brain